Are you showing yourself enough self-love? Did you know that exercise is one of the most powerful forms of self-love? You're caring for your health, you're caring for yourself. It's September 1st, and I'm dedicating my beginner challenge to self-love and self-care. This month, we're prioritizing you. I know you're busy, you might be caring for loved ones, you have a career, your focus is just on other things and you don't have time to prioritize you. But you matter too. You are so important. Your health is important. Your health and wellness is the foundation of everything else that matters in your life. If you want to continue to build your career or to work on your passions and retire with a good quality of life, to raise your children, to raise your grandchildren, or to be there to care for a loved one, you need to be healthy and strong to continue to do so. And I know it's hard to take a few minutes out of your day to focus on you, but remember, self-love is not selfish. It's important, it's crucial. So I challenge you to take 20 minutes out of your day and focus on you on the Agustin Fitness app. We have 5 all-new workouts that you'll be doing every week, which revolve all around self-love and self-care. We have a I am strong full body strength routine, an I am fierce combat cardio routine. Me time mobility is so important. You're gonna love this one. An I am balance stability and grounding routine. And a confidence booster posture correction routine. As you're doing my challenges, turn off your notifications and be present in the moment. You deserve this time for yourself. It's so easy to join. Go directly to justinagustin.com. Choose a plan that works for you. Once you have your membership, you'll have access to not only the monthly challenges, but also my whole library of beginner, full-length, gentle routines. There's also a nutrition guide with tons of recipes that you can do at home that are super easy, they're super delicious. You'll have access to the Agustin Fitness app that you can use on your mobile phone, your tablet, your television if you have a smart TV. I'm so excited for you to start, and thank you to all my loyal subscribers and members. You keep this app going, you keep me going. I'm producing these videos just for you to help you, but for me too, it's also my form of self-love. I love doing what I'm doing, and thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I'll see you at the challenge, September self-love. You got this.